To change the front Gearcase fluid on your Pro XD midsize gas, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, place a drain pan underneath the front Gearcase drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Before removing, clean the area around the fill plug in the passenger side front wheel well. Then remove the front Gearcase fill plug and set it aside. Next, move underneath the vehicle and locate the drain plug through the hole in the skid plate. Continue by cleaning the area around the drain plug. Then remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Next, inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Then, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the Gearcase through the fill plug hole until it reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Then, reinstall the Gearcase fill plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.